I'm Fra and this is my second vlog of TechTuesday. Today I'm going to talk about the role of technology in psychological health. Technology has become in the last year something essential in our daily life. We have always been more careful about young children and their use with technology because we believe that they are more susceptible to them. Coming into online games and with not properly social and communicate skills development. But have we ever thought about how the use of these technologies affect the mental health of adults? Sometimes the relationship between the use of technology and our behavior can be so narrow that we do not realize that instead of helping us, it is hurting or producing a new addiction, the addiction to the networks. The role of technology in mental health is becoming more and more fashionable. Who has not heard in recent years about comfortable therapies online? Who has not observed different devices such as help to physical exercise, feedback, and planning help? Who hasn't heard about virtual reality glasses? Psychology is one of the specialties that is increasingly introduced in these advances because they offer great improvements in patients' techniques without effort. Technology in most cases offers very satisfactory alternatives for mental health clients. For example, currently in many countries the psychologist is still known with an image in which it treats only mental illnesses and disorders, so many of the people who feel the need to attend him for some other problems such as anxiety, lack of planning, stress, low concentration are unable to do it out of fear. In these situations, the client will feel much more comfortable using online therapies thanks to the new technologies. But what if by helping the patient getting out of the problem for which he came to the professional, he's being introduced into another problem like the addition to the technologies that he's using to solve the other problem? Now, I'm going to introduce the opinions of two of my classmates.
I certainly think that technology can help us concerning mental health, but the problems I think are going to happen with these new technologies is that people not so necessarily addicted, but more what are you going to do with all the data that's stored for mental health patients? More like privacy concerns. So I think we'll get more benefits out of them, but we have to watch for privacy concerns.
Yeah, I think it could be helpful for some people because some people can use it and know what they have to do in every moment. But I think that another people could be addicted to them because if you are using technology all the time, you sometimes feel like you need it to do all the rest things in your daily life. So I think it depends on the person who uses it.
For my classmates for giving me their feedback and opinions of my vlog. So now, as we have seen, everybody thinks that we have to be aware of this problem because maybe while we are trying to solve any of our problems, we are getting another one, like one of the most known problems in the modern society, the addiction. I have found some suggestion in an article. Males are more at risk than females. Also, it could be interesting for the psychologist to know that personality traits, life satisfaction and loneliness are significant predictors of problematic internet use among students. In addition, it was observed that university students are the group most at risk in terms of developing problematic internet use. So, what is my opinion? Here is my conclusion. I think that in the future, most of people are going to receive online therapy and apps to organize their day, or apps that give us feedback about our physical exercise, or for instance our homework or going to work, whatever. And it is going to be good, but although every psychologist should encourage and support people to keep using traditional techniques, like for instance the Socrates discussion. It is a sort of technique in which you ask questions to yourself, foreseeing that what you think maybe is not as true as you think. And for instance, self-report of what you have done in the whole day, the hours of technology use, homeworks that you have done. So it is the best feedback we could get now, that is from ourselves and not from a strange. Thank you for your attention, and see you next Text Tuesday.